Hi artist. I am not using any app. I just draw on paper. Okay, that's nice. That's nice of you. Can I collab with you? Okay. Okay. Light is coming from this side, so I will put the shadow on her right side. Light is coming from her left side, so I will put shadow on this side. Okay, and here also something here. Now I will use Gaussian blur and I will do this like. Okay, it's looking good now. Okay, now opacity down. I'm doing opacity 48%. Sorry for the noise because I live near airport. Okay, it's done. I am not using any app because I am a kid and I'm just 9-year-old. I use pencil, pen and paper to draw anything. Okay, nice. You're 9-year-old? Okay. Now I will highlight her cheeks. Please, can I collab for something? I want to ask some things to you. Okay, you can ask here or you can message me on my Instagram, Soft Illustrator. You can ask here also. I will do her cheeks now, okay? Let's this like forehead and chin and upper side of the lips. Here I will do. Sorry, here. Is there any link on your community post or that I can? Okay, I will give after this live session. Now you can just Gaussian blur this one and it will look this way. I usually draw the faces very pinkish. If you don't like, you can change your style, but this is my style. If you don't give me any link so that how will I collab with you, you should give me a link on post. Okay, I will give you after this live.